Nearly a year after the Hill Country floods that killed 28 people at Camp Mystic, including 25 campers, 2 counselors, and the camp's director, the camp has now filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection. The filing comes as Camp Mystic faces multiple lawsuits connected to this disaster. KPRC 2's Joy Addison is live in the newsroom to explain what the filing means for victims' families and for the future of the camp.
Well, Bill, a Chapter 11 filing doesn't mean that Camp Mystic is shutting down, but legal experts say it does change how families seek compensation moving forward. As of today, no new lawsuits can be filed. Camp Mystic filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection in Houston as it faces mounting litigation stemming from last year's deadly floods. Bankruptcy attorney and University of Houston adjunct professor R.J. Shannon says the filing is linked to the camp's legal and financial exposure from those lawsuits.
There's a lot of lawsuits against them because of the deaths last year. My strong guess is that is the reason for the filing. This in particular is a Chapter 11 case, so they continue to operate while they're in bankruptcy and try to figure things out.
One immediate impact is that litigation against the camp is put on hold.
They're not going to be able to file new lawsuits. That kind of stuff is going to need to go through the bankruptcy court.
But that doesn't mean families are shut out of the process. Shannon says they can still file claims in bankruptcy court. They'll just have to meet court deadlines to do it. Families may end up with less money than they'd hoped, but the process is meant to be fair to everyone, not just whoever gets to court first.
They're not going to get out of paying the families entirely, right? But it would result very likely in them paying the families less. And that is all will be tied to what they actually can pay the families.
Now, the next major step will be an initial bankruptcy court hearing where Camp Mystic's attorneys are expected to outline their strategy. Shannon says families and other creditors may get a seat at the table by sitting on a committee that essentially makes sure that the debtor, which is Camp Mystic, is doing all the right things. Reporting from the newsroom, Joy Addison, KPRC 2 News.